waiting on my oil pan for my 500 horsepower street Honda.
Well, we're actually gonna weld up my exhaust, which I can't wait for. So that's gonna be pretty sick.
It's gonna be awful.
But Kevin's actually getting ready to buy Garrett G42 Turbo. Old man Mike. He's got his little templates out. He's got his paint. And this is the color of my motor. It is Cortez teal. And look. Good morning, people. And the only reason why I say it's good morning is because it is 7:21 in the morning. 7:21 in the morning. Yeah. So I thought I'd just make a video today, kind of just taking you guys through my day. I haven't really made any videos, and instead of forcing myself to kind of make something that has to do with cars, I said I might as well just make a video about something because my channel is named Kruddykarl, not Karl's Cars. But if you're not a part of the channel, you should probably hit that subscribe button because I make decent content. And to answer all the questions of where's my car at and what's the progress on it, well, let me update you. That's my turbo. It's a BorgWarner 9280. I've got a Haltech IC7 dash, AEM smart coils. I've got Turbo Smart wastegates, blow-off valve. Hold on, Rye-wire. My Rye-wire harness and subcoil harness. 6 injectors, 4 2000 and 2 1000s. Turbo manifold. So I've got a good amount of stuff, and then I've also got a whole list that I'm actually going to redo because this is actually going to go right here. I've redone my room. I've got the drift car corner. I've got Samantha's corner. Once Samantha's corner is empty, it'll become the drift car corner once I get another seat, 3 more wheels, and a couple other things that are on this list. Then we'll work on the drift car, but the first priority is Samantha and completing her list. So pretty much, it's 7 in the morning. Normally I would wake up and go to the gym right now, but honestly I didn't feel like it, so I'm just gonna kind of catch up on a little bit of editing and yeah, kind of go from there. Okay, I'm not a god in any way, shape, or form. I'm not a god at Halo, but I'm sure you can understand how insanely frustrating it is to have stats like this. Hold on, I'm not done. But I just don't understand. Look at that, damage taken, damage dealt. Just don't understand how we lose. I know how we lose because we have teammates that go 8 and 14 and 7 and 13. I'm just trying to get to. I forgot to mention that I got Apple CarPlay for Samantha. Haven't installed it yet, obviously. Waiting for one more piece, and the car doesn't turn on, so. Yeah, but we're going to the shop now, so here we go. We've made it to the shop. Got all the JDM Legends out here. This one's actually LS swap, which is pretty cool. That one we're supposed to be using for subframes and stuff like that to design subframes and V-mount setups. This one's actually for sale. It's super clean. And yeah, then we got a Subaru. Yep. So we're at the shop, huh? Morning. We're at the shop and we're just gonna get into some things, bother everybody, see what everyone's doing. This RX-8 single turbo made 550 on the dyno. We're actually detuning it for the customer to around 500, so it'll be good for him. Brendan's over there doing his thing. Wow, our fabricator.
Love my mess.
This is Brendan. He's actually been teaching me how to weld, so that's pretty cool. We're actually gonna weld up my exhaust, which I can't wait for. So that's gonna be pretty sick.
It's gonna be awful.
And then we're coming over here to the powder coating section, and we're actually gonna do a video with Matt, and he's gonna powder coat. He's gonna powder coat my motor. Oh my God, that looks sick. Damn. Actually looks really good. I didn't see these, but that's actually, man, that looks pretty good. And then actually, fun fact, this is my motor over here. This is all my housings and whatnot. Oh my God, I keep getting stuck. Yeah, this is my motor, my rotors, my rotating assembly. Mike needs to port it. So we're actually just gonna put that right next to that thing. Oh my God, you're here so early. I don't know why he's here so early, but normally Mike's not here this early, but whatever. Back shop. That's Will's car. Will's car is actually fixing his transmission. What? And we come over here. We got the two smartest people in the shop, and then this dumbass. But you know, no one cares
Who you
about
pointing
him.
the camera at?
Chase.
Okay.
So what are we doing over here, guys?
Morgan's oil pan
Putting on my oil pan for my 500 horsepower street Honda.
I'm wondering how black you are wearing shorts.
Yeah, I saw your fucking Snapchat or Instagram post
Yeah.
or story, and you were in shorts. I was like, "Yo, what the fuck's wrong with you?"
So how much power is this thing gonna make?
Realistically, on probably 9 pounds of boost, I'd say between 350 and 400.
Solid.
And then me and Morgan are going to race on the street.
Thank that ass.
Chase's shit box is not in here, but
It is in here.
oh, it's right there. My fault. Yeah. that piece of shit right there. That. You ever gonna fix it?
No, it's not fixable at this point.
This thing is a piece of work. Look at this. The rear end's got a Baltimore lean. The trunk, I bet. Oh, shoot, that's right there. Oh, it's ratchet strap shut, so that's technically doesn't close. The seat looks like, you know, he just.
Ray Charles put it in.
Yeah. The only thing that looks functional is that fire extinguisher. The rest of the car, don't know how it runs and drives at all. You put a. I just don't know what the fitment is on that, but you know, hey man, as long as it runs and drives, right?
Yeah.
Sitting here acting like my cars are any better. This is the color of my motor. It is Cortez teal, and it looks absolutely sick. So this is the color of my motor. And yeah, and I'm just gonna spend my day up in here for the most part, sending out stuff that needs to be sent out. This is a trans that we're having built for the Turbo RX-8 out there. Synchros are down there. We're waiting for more synchros for that. These are things. This has to get sent out to a customer, and that's it for that. But yeah, I mean, it's just a little bit of thing for me to do. So I'll sit down here, talk to customers, and just do my thing. If anything interesting happens. Look at Mike. Look at Mike just in there wrenching away. Just, that's a man. Hey guys, just wanted to come to you guys with an update. Huge update. We got one plate on Mike's bench right now to get ported. Kevin negotiated, so we'll see what happens. I'll update you guys.
You either get a kayak or you don't get a kayak. I mean, that's.
Hey, you want a kayak? Well, guys, update on where my motor's at.
It ain't happening.
Mike's right there.
It ain't happening.
But Kevin's actually getting ready to buy a Garrett G42 Turbo, so we're trying to get Kevin on that right now. Kevin?
I ain't doing it right now.
He's gonna do it tomorrow.
Unless you pay more for that YouTube money.
I don't have the mic on my camera, but we're doing a large street port on this bad boy. MEQ's on the job. Old man Mike. He's got his little templates out. He's got his paint. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Just a great man. Wow. This is my video. You don't have to worry.
No, you're good.
Wow.
We'll get that thing ported up NASA.
Yes, sir.
Oh, big old port.
Yes. We're not doing a Bridgeport because we care about longevity over here. So,
What we're gonna do in a full-size primary.
yes, full-size primary port, not a Bridgeport. Watching some One Piece. I'm finally at like episode 500, and I'm sorry if it's like quiet or whatever it is, but I just don't have the mic on. I just got home. About to hop on and play some Battlefield with the boys. Also, I'll throw some clips in of that. We love to snipe in that, so we're gonna do that. Watch some One Piece, and that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. I make decent content. I've got a pretty wild swap coming, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.